Alright, Derek. Here's how you change your filter. Pretty simple. So come to the right hand side panel. Second switch down is your water heater. Flip that to the left. I already did that. And then you come over here. And then this is actually on. So you want to turn that off. Okay? And then you take it right here and you unscrew it. I'm gonna have to set this up so you can see me. I don't know if I can. Where? Maybe I can set it up over here. Stay there, bud. Oh yeah, look at that. It's working. So this button over here, it's a pressure release. It's red. You can't miss it. Push your press release button. Release the pressure. Oh, I forgot. It gives you this little fancy tool. Slide that underneath there. Try to hold everything steady. You get her loose. Now water's going to come out of here. That's why the bucket's here. It's going to be draining most of your house. Really should put a valve right here, or maybe one right here. Right, it doesn't have to do that. Oh. Well, look at that. That's fancy. So, take your filter out. Now, there's a rubber O-ring underneath here. You gotta make sure that that rubber O-ring is back in its seat. So, that's important. There it is. I guess you could always put it right there too, if you want to. So I always dump the water out. And then take in the new filter. And there's a little, at the bottom of it, there's a little place where it sits right on there. Now this is where it gets a little tricky, because you got to get it in this hole up here to where it's right. Screw it on. Looks right. And you take your little fancy jig here. And then this nozzle I turned, you don't need to turn it, you can touch it. Leave it the way it is. So then what you're going to do is slowly turn the water on. Slowly. You don't need to turn it on all the way, you just need to turn it on. Maybe an eighth of a turn. Pump the system up again. Wipe all this. Good. Make it pressurize it fully, check for leaks. That's it. Turn the water heater back on.